Hello guys, I am Arvind and this is continuation video of array in C programming and it is part 2. So guys, in this lecture we are going to discuss why do we need an array. So guys, let's go ahead and we'll discuss it. So guys, let's consider a case where we need to store 5 integer numbers and print them. So in C programming, we have two ways to do this. So in the first approach, we can declare 5 variables with integer data type and then use 5 percentile d as a format specifier in scanf function to store the entered values in the variables and then at last print the values of variables. While in the second approach, we can have a single integer array to store all the values, loop the array to store all the entered values in array and later print the values of each element as we did in this program. And obviously guys, the second solution is better. It is convenient to store same data types in the one single variable. So guys, I hope it is clear to you. And now guys, let me open up the Turbo C++ compiler where I will explain you the concept of array in C programming. So guys, in this program, we will learn how can we take input for an array and print them. So I have declared an array A of size 5 and by using for loop, I am taking input for this array A and after that, I am printing each element from this array by using for loop. So now if I run this program, it is asking to enter 5 values in array A. So let me enter the values. So output will be like this. So guys, I hope it is clear to you and thank you so much guys for watching this video. Just in case you liked it, do not forget to like and subscribe. I will see you then in the next video.